Is it time to buy or sell NIO stock? In this video, we will explore NIO in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 7th of April, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to keep up with our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 24th of March, 2025, our system has classified NIO as a sell candidate, resulting in a score of -4.77. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has faced a decline of 23.29%. This equates to an average daily loss of 2.12% since its designation as a sell candidate. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 0.0821% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -0.0821% to 55.19%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of -4.54% based on our calculations. The stock's performance could vary from -4.54% to 100% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $3.21 and $6.72. The stock's performance could vary from -4.54% to 100% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $3.21 and $6.72. That's it. The stock's performance could vary from -4.54% to 100%. Moving on. In current terms, this would place the future. Our latest daily update for NIO features the headline, Volatile Ride for NIO Stock Price on Monday, moving between $3.18 and $3.55. The NIO stock price decreased by 2.89% on the last day, which was Monday, the 7th of April, 2025, dropping from $3.46 to $3.36. It has now experienced a decline for 4 consecutive days. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated by 11.48%, with a low of $3.18 and a high of $3.55. Over the past 10 days, the price has fallen in 7 instances, resulting in a total decrease of 23.29% for this period. Interestingly, the trading volume also declined alongside the stock price, which is typically a positive sign, as volume should align with stock movements. On the last day, the trading volume decreased by 5 million shares, with a total of 73 million shares exchanged for approximately $244,440,440. Over the past 52 weeks, the stock reached a peak price of $7.71 and a low of $3.18. Currently, it stands 56.42% or $4.35 below the 52-week high, and 94.98% or $63.63 below the all-time high recorded on the 11th of January, 2021, when the price peaked at $66.99. NIO has recently found itself in the spotlight, particularly following a significant 4 billion Hong Kong dollar share offering completed on April 7th. This equity placement, targeting non-US investors, aims to bolster NIO's financial standing amidst ongoing profitability challenges. Investors may view this move as a necessary step for future growth, but it raises concerns about the dilution of existing shares. On the competitive front, NIO faces increasing pressure from rivals like Li Auto, which currently holds the edge in margins and sales. NIO's commitment to battery swapping technology has garnered attention, yet its unprofitability remains a critical concern for investors. Additionally, reports indicate that CATL, a major battery supplier, is exploring a controlling stake in NIO's power unit, which could significantly impact operational capabilities, potentially leading to improved efficiencies in battery services and the expansion of NIO's infrastructure. Despite a modest rise in deliveries during the first quarter, NIO's stock has faced substantial volatility, recently hitting 52-week lows. Market sentiments remain cautious, particularly as broader economic factors such as tariffs threaten pricing strategies and supply chains. In the short term, these developments could contribute to further market fluctuations. Meanwhile, in the long run, NIO's ability to adapt to competition and improve profitability will be crucial in shaping investor confidence and stock performance. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 21st of November, 2024, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned NIO a neutral grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 28th of October, 2024, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned NIO an equal weight grade with an upgrade action. On Monday, the 28th of October, 2024, it was reported that Macquarie assigned NIO an outperform grade with an upgrade action. On Monday, the 30th of September, 2024, it was reported that Citigroup assigned NIO a buy grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 30th of September, 2024, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned NIO an overweight grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to NIO stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell, and the price-to-book ratio similarly as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also assign the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for NIO. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The NIO stock is displaying sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these averages, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance is expected at the levels of $3.68 and $4.39. A breakout above either of these levels could trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, March 11, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 35.63%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. The volume has decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 20 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 20 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 14 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 13 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 9 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 13 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 13 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages shows a buy signal from 4 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for NIO. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. Under the right conditions, the stock may experience significant decline over the next few days. This stock is highly volatile, with a considerable prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band, categorizing it as very high risk. In the past day, the stock fluctuated by 365 thousandths of a dollar between its high and low points, which translates to an 11.48% change. Over the past week, the daily average volatility has been 6.86%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for NIO, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, persistently negative PE ratios may signal inadequate profits and increased risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of the year 2025 is anticipated on the 5th of June 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are projected at negative 13 cents. Keep a close watch on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for NIO. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for NIO is at $3.75. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a point to consider for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below, which indicates that the stock could potentially experience a sharp decline under certain conditions. Proceed with caution and consider making trades only if you are an experienced trader who understands how to navigate such situations. The combined average rating for NIO from multiple analyst sources is sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred over 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 24th of February, 2016, when Citigroup Inc. executed an insider sale of 850 shares of variable rate demand preferred shares. We have a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is NIO stock a good buy? NIO faces several negative indicators and is currently within a broad and declining trend. Therefore, we anticipate that its performance will remain weak over the next few days or weeks. As a result, we have adjusted our evaluation of this stock from a strong sell to a sell candidate. Upon examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 8th of April, we expect NIO to open higher by 170 cents and begin trading at $3.36. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment decisions. Here's our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.